Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this video, we want to look at corrections to the quizzes on volume of prisms, which involves cube, cuboid, and triangular prisms. So the first question we have here says a cube has a volume of 64 centimeters cube. What is the side length of the cube? So the first thing you need to do, what is volume of a cube? The volume of a cube is s cube. All right, and this volume is given to be 64. So that means s cube is equal to what? 64. So it is side length that we're looking at, which is s. That is, we're going to have cube root of what? 64. And cube root of 64 is equal to what? 4 centimeters. So that means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 64. Hope that is clear. So the option here is option B. So the next question is a box shaped container has a volume of 216 centimeters cube. So if all sides of the container are equal, what is the side length? So the same thing, the box shaped container has a volume of this. If all size of the container has equal, that is, this is a cuboid. This is a cube. That's what it means. If all the sides are equal, so that means the same thing. The volume which is given to be 216. All right. So that means 216 is equal to what? Sorry. That means s cube. S cube is equal to 216. So the same thing will be done here. That will be x equal to cube root of what? 216. And that is going to be, so 6. That means it's equal to 6 centimeters. That is option A. I hope this is clear. Then we go to question 3. For question 3, the volume of a cuboid with length L centimeters, breadth B centimeters, and height A centimeters is what? So the first one, because of the square root, this will be out. The second one is the answer. So length times breadth times height, that's volume of a cuboid. So I hope that is clear. So move to question 4. Question 4 here. A rectangular box has a length 10 centimeters, a width 5 centimeters, and height 3 centimeters. What is the volume? So volume of a cuboid, rectangular box is a cuboid. It's equal to length times breadth times height. So length is 10, breadth is 5, and the height is 3. So 10 times that's 50 times 3 is equal to 150 centimeters cube. So that is option, the last option there, option D. I hope this is clear. So move to question 5. Now, for question 5, we have a bookshelf is 120 centimeters long, 30 centimeters wide, and 200 centimeters high. How many books can fit on the shelf if each book has a volume of 1000 centimeters cube? So which means the book has 1000 centimeters cube. So we want to look at how many books will this shelf. So which means that we need to calculate the volume of the what? Of the shelf. So volume of the shelf will then be what? 120 multiplied by 30 multiplied by what? 200. So and see what's going to happen. That is 120 times 30 times 200. So that gives 720,000 centimeters what? Cube. So how many 1000 can we see from here? So number of books. Number of books now. Number of books and the shelf that the shelf can contain will be 720,000 divided by 1000. So 0 cancels 0. That is going to give us 720 books. So I hope that is clear. Okay, move to question 6 now. So for question 6, a cuboid has a square base with 4 sides. If the volume of the cuboid is 48 centimeters cube, what is the height of the cube? So a cuboid, so volume of a cuboid is length times breadth times height. So this length times breadth is the area of the base, and the base is given to be 4 by 4. So which means this will be 4 times 4 times height. I hope I'm making sense. Then the volume here, which is 48, so that means this is 16 height. So we're going to say h will then be 48 divided by 16. So 48 divided by 16 gives 3. So height equals to 3 centimeters, which is this option. I hope I'm making sense. All right, so go to question 7 now. For question 7, we have the volume of a triangular prism is calculated by, so base area multiplied by the height. So it now depends. So we can say half times base area. No, this is out of it. This is not the formula. So this is also not the formula. So the answer is option B. The option, no, question 8 now. A triangular prism has a base area of 12 centimeters square and a height of, what is the volume? So its volume of a triangular prism is base area times the height. So what is the base area is given as 12 and the height is 5. So that gives us a 60 centimeters cube. You can see this is very simple. Okay, so let's move to question 9. The volume of a cube with side length s centimeters is, so that is option B. So we've done that before. Question 10, the last question here. A triangular prism has a volume of 360 centimeters cube and a triangular base with an area of 40 centimeters square. What is the height of the prism? So a triangular prism has a volume. The volume of the prism is 360 centimeters cube and triangular base with an area of 40 centimeters. So base area, volume is what the base area times what height. So we are now given the base area to be 40 times the height, then 360. So what is the height? It is the height of, divide both sides by 40 by 40. I hope I'm making sense. So 40 cancel 40, 0 cancel 0, 4 here 1, 4 here 9. So therefore the height is equal to 9 centimeter. That's option B. I hope this is very clear. So that is that for this video. So we're going to meet in our next class. Bye for now.